Hello dear students, today we will start to make the nut and bolt in the SolidWorks software. This one is called bolt and this one is called nut. So first of all we will start to make the design nut in the SolidWorks software, and this diameter is M8, means metric thread, and 8 mm is the diameter. This one is the constant values according to our diameter. So just see the values of M8 diameter. So this one is our some standard chart. The normal diameter is our 8 mm. According to this, our pitch is 1.25 for coarse pitch and 1 mm is for fine pitch. So we'll start to make the pitch 1.25 for 8 mm diameter of the bolt, and according to this we'll set the values for nut. So there is some values calculation for nut and bolt. Now see this, according to diameter we will calculate the values. The length of the thread and the diameter is the D, and this one is the head multiplied by D. This one is a 2D. So all this value will calculate with the diameter of the bolt. So let's start to how to make the design in the SolidWorks software. First of all we'll make the new file and open in the part file. Now right plane, select the right plane. Let's start to sketch to make this design. First of all we will draw the center line. First of all draw the rough sketch, then give the dimension of all these values. 30 mm vertical, then OK. Now set the values according to the calculations. This one is 0.53 and same this one is 0.53. And the angle from this line to this line is our 30 degree. Same here will be the angle is 30 degree according to the calculations. Sorry, degree. And the distance is from this point to this point is 0.53. .53 is the distance. Then OK. Now we'll set these values. So this dimension is 45 degrees the angle, and the distance from this point to this point is 0.8. Okay, so now our all this dimension is almost, I think, no, this dimension is missing. So this one is 6.5 mm. That's great. This value is 4 mm. From this point to this point is our value is 4 mm, and this value is from this point to this point, the value is 6.5. Yes, and the distance from this point to this point is 8 mm. This one is 8 mm. So according to calculations, or all this value is set right now. Then we'll extrude this. When we revolve, extrude this out this, is complete right now. Now we'll start to make the hexagonal here. Now we'll set the values. Front plane, then select this and set the vertical and give the dimension of this. The dimension is from this point to this point is 6.5. then okay, then select features, then select extrude cut. Now set the values. The extruded cut dimension is 6 mm. Now this hexagonal is complete right now. Then we will start to make the thread. Now how to make the thread? First of all, select this face, select sketch, then select this diameter and select sketch and select convert entities. Now our convert entities is activate right now here. Now we'll start to the features and curve and select the helix, and this one is our some values, and here will be our pitch is 1.25 mm according to the diameter of this bolt, and 1.25 pitch is set it right now. Then select this, then okay, our path is ready, and again select the right plane like this and select right plane again, then select the sketching. And now just see carefully students to how to make the thread in this SolidWorks. First of all, when we select this and we'll make the path, this one, then we'll start to make the triangle here like this. Then we will select this face and this face and then equal to this face. Now our this both the faces are equal right now. Then select the dimension and set this triangle angle is 60 degree, because our metric thread angle is 60 degree. So there is two types of the thread. One is BSW thread, British Standard Whitworth thread, and second one is metric thread. The metric thread angle is 60 degree. Now we'll set this point and select this point, both, sorry, just remove the dimension command. Now select this point and select this point, then coincident this point, then okay. Now our this triangle is matched with this point right now. Draw the center line from this point to this point like this. Now exit from this side, and when you exit this, our this features is activate right now. Then select features, then select swept cut, and our triangle is selected here, sketch 4. This one is a sketch 4, and now select the path where you want to make the thread. Now select this path, and this triangle is follow this path is in the opposite direction. Just wait, it will take some time to make the thread. Okay, now one dimension is missing here. Sketch, smart dimension. First of all, we'll enter in this sketch. Now here will some dimension is missing. Select this one, and select the 3.24. okay, this dimension is now draw the center line. So give the dimension from this point to this point is 3.24. Then okay. Now select this point and select this point, then coincident this point. Select this point and this, select this point, then coincident this. Now exit. Now select features, then swept cut, this one and this path. Okay, so our thread is ready. Then okay. Now just hide this blue lines. Now our right hand thread is complete. Now we'll start to make the nut. How to make the nut? Now you just see the starting point is here, and it will be rotate like this, and it will make the thread like this on the surface. This one is your Allen bolt. Now we'll start to make the nut. How to make the nut? Now select this front plane, then okay. Now select the sketch, then the dimension of this. First of all, select this and then vertical this. The dimension of this is 16. From this point to this point is 16 mm. 2D, 8 multiplied by 2, that one is 16. Then draw the circle inside of this. The circle is .08. Then select features, then extrude this. Extruder dimension is D the diameter is 8 mm, then okay. Now we'll start to make this chamfer here, and the chamfer dimension is make the chamfer here, .8, then okay. Same will we make the chamfer in this side, then okay. Now we'll start to make the thread. First of all, select the face, sketch. Now select this and then select sketch, then convert entities, then select the features, then select curve, then helix. This one is our pitch. Now just remove this height, 8 mm, then okay. Like this, then change the transparency. Now we'll again start to make the thread here. So select the face, right plane, then start sketching, then make the triangle like this, then give the dimension. First of all, equal to this triangle both, then equal, then set the angle 60 degree angle, then okay. Then select this point and consider this point like this, and now select features. First of all, exit, then select features, then swift cut, select this path, select this. Now our thread is ready. Now our this internal thread is, so this one is our nut, right hand thread, and this one is our bolt. This one is bolt and this one is nut. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.